again, what you want to do is come off of this piston with a slime block. Now choose a side, either side. I'm going to come off this side with another slime block and place a redstone block there. Then on the opposite side, just place a regular redstone block. Place a slime block right here in the middle in front, and then on the top, place one, and that's 1, 2, 3. Then go ahead, grab a piston, place a piston there, come out like so. Grab your fences real fast, place one there, place one there. Now once you have this little slime block, come out 2 on both sides like so, place a piston on the ends like that, and then place a redstone block here in the middle, slime block, and then 2 regular blocks. Grab your fences, put them right there. That should be this part. Go ahead, grab your slime blocks, come off of this piston like so. Come to the middle on both sides, place a redstone block there and there. Slime block, slime block, slime block, slime block. Go ahead and place a piston on the front of both of those. Crane around. Go ahead and put stairs here, there, and there. And that should do it for the little part of the jaw. The front part, come off of these pistons again with your slime blocks like so, and then do this and that, this and that. Now, once you have this, go ahead and place a redstone block there, redstone block here, and then stairs like this, and stair there. And once you have that, that should be the entire jaw and bottom part of the neck. Alright, continuing forward with the side of the neck and face, come off of this piston with a slime block pattern like so, which will look like this, and then one down here. And of course we will be mirroring everything on the opposite side as well, and I'm just doing this to save time. So coming up this way, go ahead, throw a regular block in there, and there, and then 2 more in front here. Grab a piston, place it here. Go ahead, grab your redstone blocks, place 1 of them right there. Coming off of this piston like this, go inward like this, grab a redstone block, place it there on that slime block, then come off of this slime block 1, 2, 3 regular blocks. Then you want to grab your iron bars and place them 1, 2, 3 right there. Now if you go ahead and mirror this on the other side while placing a block right there, you should be good to go. Alright, continuing forward with the rest of the head and the horns, what you want to do is come off of this piston like so. And then what you want to do is come out like this, and then make this kind of shape like this. And then once you have that, do this, and then come out 1, 2, 3, and then place a piston on the front of that block again. Do the same thing on this side, 1, 2, 3, and then a piston like so, and you have this kind of deal going on. Then place a piston right here and right there. Grab your redstone blocks, place one there, and then place one right there. Coming off of this piston, we'll return to the horns. You want to do this, and then come forward 2, and then down 1 slime block like so on both sides. And do the same thing there, and then once you have this, go ahead and grab your stairs. Place one there, and there, and then there, and there. Once you do this, grab your redstone blocks. Place one there, place one there. Come up here, place a regular block there and there. Grab your pistons. Place a regular piston there, grab your slime blocks, not there. Come forward off of the pistons here, like so, and then make this kind of shape to, cover up the top. And as you've guessed it, we're going to go ahead and grab those stairs again and place them in right there. Now, once we've done this, though, we're going to grab our redstone block, place one there, place one here. Now, we're going to come up to these 2 blocks that we just placed, grab a sticky piston, place it right in the middle of them, grab 2 slime blocks, 2 there, 1 redstone block on top of the last one real fast, and then we'll go ahead and grab our pistons, place one there, throw that there, break out the back one, of course, if you just did that. Don't place a redstone block here just yet. Come forward with regular blocks like so, slime block, regular block, regular block, regular block, just surround it. And put a stair there for the first horn, and then what you want to do, go ahead and throw in that redstone block. Now I'm going to do 1 horn for you, and you can go ahead and mirror it on the other side. You want to go ahead and come out like this with your slime blocks. Make sure the redstone block is on the outside of the piston. Then throw in 2 more slime blocks on the front like so. Grab your stairs, then 1 on each slime block on the bottom, and then 1 on the front, so you have this. Then you can go ahead and mirror that on the other side, and that's the full head. And lastly, the wings. I will be doing 1 wing, and I'll be doing this wing here, and then of course what I suggest is that every time I do a little piece here, and we'll start with this one, that you duplicate it on this side. Don't wait. Just suggest don't wait until I'm done with the entire wing to then duplicate it, because it will be pretty difficult. It'll just be more time consuming and strenuous. So what you want to do in starting this is come up like so, like how I have here with your slime blocks, and this is going to be kind of tricky, so just try to pay attention as well, and we'll get through this. So what you want to do is come out from this one, and then out like this, and then come up like that, and then put a piston right there on the front. Now once you've done this, I suggest putting it on the other side as well. So once you do this, you're going to come forward from this one and kind of do this little square effect here, and then you're going to place a slime block there, and then go ahead and place 4 blocks on the top like so. So it looks a little bit like this. Then go ahead and place a piston on the front right there, regular block there. Now we're going to go ahead and add in the little claw on the wing. So come back like this with your slime block, so there's 3, and then go them around the corner like so. Go ahead, redstone block right here. Take your regular blocks, put them like this, slime block there. Come around this way. You can place stairs there, and then come around this way. Go ahead and place a slime block here, and then a regular block there. Now we're going to go back down this way at this current moment. So I kind of did this in code, so I'm going to have it by number code here for you. The first one here is going to be a 1, 2, down 2, 2 pattern with the slime blocks. So we'll put our sticky piston in right away. Boom. And then it's 1, and then 2, and then it's down 1, 2, 2. And then this is where you would want to put your redstone block, and you could put obsidian in there if you like. Necessarily, I don't think you really need it for this piece, but that's the first piece right here. Now, moving on, this is where it gets just a little bit tricky, but we're going to do like a little bit of a tower here, like what we did with the tail. Go ahead and throw a sticky piston in here, and then this one will be a 1, 2, down 1, 4. So 1, and we come over, so there's 2, so there's like, makes sense, like 1, and then 2, and then down 1, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it looks like this. 1, 2, down 1, 4. Makes sense. And then you go ahead, redstone block, go ahead and throw your obsidian right here, and then make sure you have a piston facing straight into that obsidian like this. And now right here where it gets a little bit tricky while you place that obsidian is you'll place a slime block right here, and then a redstone block right underneath the sticky piston. Now that segment is done. For our next segmented code, it will be 1, 3, 3, and it doesn't look like we actually go down on this one at all, which is good. So we have a sticky piston with 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, just like that. Now, same thing that we did up here. What we'll go ahead and do, I guess, is throw in our redstone block there, piston coming off the back really fast, throw a piston in, break that. Now, once we have this kind of shape, we'll go ahead and throw a slime block in here after we put our obsidian in, don't forget. And redstone block right there underneath it, and that's good to go. Now we're for our next segmented piece, it will be a 1, 4, 3. So again, no more downs, which is nice. So we have a sticky piston underneath there. Then from there, this is our 1. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Good like that. Redstone block there. Piston coming off like so, like that, and then place your obsidian in there, a movable block of any kind, slime block, redstone block there, and that is that segment. Now, 1, 4, 3, so it looks like we're going to start coming back in now. So we got a sticky piston here, and then we have 4 coming straight off of it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now once we have this, we're going to come in 2, like that. 1, 2, and now go ahead and do the same thing here. Redstone, piston, throw that in, bam. Obsidian or a movable block there, slime block here, and then redstone block there to make sure that that will move along with it. Now once you have this little piece here, what you can do is add a normal block there, and then go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 backwards with your slime blocks coming out of this one. Grab a sticky piston, place it to where it's facing into those slime blocks from the front, wherever you're facing. So it's like this. It's just a longer caterpillar engine. Then we'll go ahead and place the redstone block on the back here with the piston. come around this way like so, and then you actually don't even have to put Obsidian in on this one if you place the slime block here, piston there, and redstone block here. And that is all you have to do for the outer part of the wing. Alright, before we go any further, make sure you have placed this redstone block right here. And if you've mirrored it on the other side, just make sure you've placed that redstone block right here. This is how I kind of left it in the last little clip. Go ahead and just place that redstone block, you're good to go. After you've done this, grab some sticky pistons, come in right here, and then come out with 3 slime blocks. And then on the top, place 2 redstone blocks like this, regular block on the side, glass right here and there. You can go ahead and double that on this side with a regular block and 2 glass. Throw in a piston here with just right there, and then nothing more to do right here. Go ahead and grab your sticky pistons, one there, and then this I will be doing like the coded little thing that I did for this little side segment here. I'll be doing for these, except it'll be outside and then inside. So with that being said, we're going to come out 3 initially here, and then 5 off this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Redstone block here, piston like so. And then once you do this, go ahead and place in some obsidian. Coming out in this direction, slime block here, redstone block there. That piece is good to go. Now continuing down, we're going to do a 3, 4. Go ahead and place a sticky piston here, and then come 1, 2, 3 out. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Redstone block, piston, right there. Once you do that, place some obsidian so it won't move. Slime block, redstone block, moving on. For the last one, you're going to do a 3, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And redstone block, piston coming out like so. Swing around that way. So it looks like this. Don't forget that obsidian, like I almost just did. Slime block here, redstone block there. Now that should do it for that piece, and we're going to go ahead and just throw in a regular block here, and then 1 regular block right there. Now, once we've done this, we're going to come up to this sticky piston, the inside sticky piston. You're going to come out 2, and then you're going to come out 4. So then once you've done this, place a redstone block there, place your piston in, and I'm guaranteeing you guys see the pattern with all this, the obsidian, slime block, redstone block on the bottom. Now, sticky piston again on this one, and what we're going to do on this one is a 3, 3, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2. Now once you have this redstone block there, piston like so, coming off this direction, go ahead and slam some obsidian down there, and then come back in with your slime block here, redstone block there, and that should look something like this. Now for the last little bit, sticky piston, then you're going to come out 1, 2, 3, and then over 1. Redstone block here, piston coming out like this, so break that one, and then you want to go ahead and throw in some obsidian here so we can bud this. Slime block, redstone block, good to go, block there, come down this way, and block there. Now once you have all of that, you should be good to go to mirror it. Alright, so what we're going to do is throw in our glass, coming off of this piston here, which is the piston we ended with on the side of the machine. We're going to come in, and what we're going to do is we're going to add a slime block here, and then redstone block, right there, slime block here. Then what you want to do is take your glass, add a piece here, there, here, there, there, here, and there. Then next, what you want to do is throw a piston in right here. After this, you want to come forward like so, add a redstone block here, then another slime block here, and grab your glass, come forward 1, 2, off the top of this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 3 off of this redstone block, 1, 2, 3, and that's that piece right here. Get a better look at it for you. Alright, now coming in again, what you're going to want to do is put a slime block here, come off of the back with 3 pistons, well, I mean just 1 piston is going to go right there, but if that's the way you do it, that's the way you do it. And what you're going to want to do is place a sticky piston right here, come off the front with a slime block, 1 slime block down this way, place a piece of glass here, and then right after you do this, you want to come off of the front right here with a piston, come forward with your slime blocks like this until you're right here. Then what you want to do is place a redstone block there, slime block down below, grab your glass again, come out 1, 2, 3 off this bottom slime block towards the other glass. Then right here you want to come out 1, 2, and then right here you want to come out 1, 2, 3. So it looks like this. Go ahead and slam a piston right here, and that is the next two pieces in this little part, I guess. And actually, you can go ahead and place another piece of glass right there if you like. Alright, so coming off of this piston here, what you're going to want to do is put slime blocks in like this, slam a redstone block in right there, and then come off the top 1, 2, 3 glass, 1, 2, 3 more glass, and then 1, 2, 3 glass right here. And I apologize, you're going to have to blow out that glass and place a piston there. Then go ahead and come forward with your slime blocks, place a redstone block here, and then after you do that, go ahead and place glass here, like so, and then like so, and then come around like this, place a slime block right there, and then place a piston right on top of that, and you should be looking at something that looks a little like this. Alright, next thing you want to do is come up off of this way with your slime blocks and try not to destroy that piston. Then once you do this, what you want to do is come out this way, place a redstone block here, place a piece of glass there, and then you can place two pieces of glass like this. Then you want a piston right there. Come off this way, and then you can come down 1 underneath, and then 1 to the side like so. Then you want to go ahead and place a redstone block right there, and then once you've done this, go ahead, grab your glass, place a piece of glass there, piece of glass here, and then 1, 2, 3 more pieces of glass like that, and that is that full piece of the wing, and we will move on to the other piece. Alright, next up you want to come to this block right here. Go ahead and grab a slime block, put it right there. Put a sticky piston right here facing into the slime block. You're going to go ahead and grab your pistons and place one right there. Now, once you've done this, go ahead and place glass coming out like this. So there's 2 off the front, and then you can go ahead and place a slime block here, glass here, and then slime block here and there. And then once you have this, go ahead and place glass here and there, and then you can put a piston right here. Once you have that, you can go ahead and place a redstone block right there, so it'll be charged. Then coming up off of this front piston, you want to go like this, redstone block here, and then 6 pieces of glass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 off of the front of that redstone block. Alright, so now what you want to do next is go ahead and find this block, place a slime block here, come back with your pistons right here. Then what you want to do is grab your sticky pistons, come off the front like so it looks like this. Then what you want to do is grab a slime block, place it here on the front, and then put 3 glass off the front of that slime block, and then just 2 on the side, and then a slime block here with a piston on top, and it should look like this before you place your redstone block. Now once it looks like this, you come off of this piston like so, and then what you want to do is come up with a redstone block, place a slime block like this, off the side of it place 3 glass, 1, 2, 3, going straight up, it should go right against this glass, and then off the front, same deal, 1, 2, 3, and go ahead and place a slime block here, piston there, come up off of that piston so it looks like this, redstone block here, and glass like this, and like that, and that is that whole membrane of the wing. Alright, moving to the last bit of the entire build, what you're going to want to do is slam a slime block right there and then right here. And then what you should do is place some obsidian here, and then a piston coming back so it's like this, looks like that. Go ahead and grab a sticky piston, place it like this, and then once you have this, go ahead and place your redstone blocks like that. Slime blocks coming off the front in this kind of like 3 angle off the front of that sticky piston, or off the back of the sticky piston. So it looks like this. What you want to do is add 2 pieces of glass like so, and then a regular piston right here. Then what you can do is come out this direction, place a slime block right here, and then a redstone block right here. Go ahead and place a piece of glass here, piston there. what you want is 2 pieces of glass here and a piston there, and then 4 pieces of glass like that, and that is this piece. Now, coming off of this bottom piston here, we're going to do a couple small pieces, coming like that with a redstone block like this to the bottom of the piston, glass right here, and then glass on the front of that top slime block as well. So it looks a little something like this. And what you're going to want to do is come off of this one with a slime block like this, put another one here, redstone block there, 3 pieces of glass like 1, 2, 3 off of that side lonely slime block, and then you're going to want 1, 2, 3 off of the bottom slime block there. Place a slime block here, and then a piston on top to make it look all like this when it's done. And now, to finally finish this build off, what you're going to do is come here, place a redstone block there, slime block here, place glass off the top, slime block here, go back to your glass, 1, 2, 3, 4 coming off the side, so it looks like this. Then that area is done. Next thing you want to do is come back down towards this block, on both sides of course, and coming off of it, go ahead and throw a sticky slime block there, then grab your pistons, throw in a piston here, sticky piston there, just bear with me. Then we need a slime block here and there, and then what you want to do is place a piston coming off the front of this one like so, and go ahead and place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more glass like right here like this, and then coming off the front of this piston, 1 slime block, 1 redstone block, and 1 piece of glass right here. And this will go ahead right after you put a redstone block here, and of course when you mirror it right here, that will complete your Trihorn. Alright, just real quick before you do anything, go ahead and place a redstone block right there and mirror it, just in case you didn't get that. I'm pretty sure I left that out of the overall design there at the end. But then once you're done doing all that, you can actually come in and blow out all of the obsidian. And once you've done that, you can come in this way, and the last step of everything is the placing of the boats. What you'd want to do, I would suggest for this piece is, this boat doesn't matter, you can face either way. I would suggest facing towards the tail, and then place it right on top of that piston. So it's like this, and then what you want to do is place a block here. So what will happen is this boat will be then pushed forward. And now that, again, is right underneath the little neck area, like right at the bottom of the throat. Then what you want to do is come in with your boats, and this is very important. Place your first boat looking towards wherever, the head of the dragon. Place your first boat right here, and then so that means you'll be seated more towards the back. And then what you want to do is place the next boat, which if I can get into this thing here, next boat you want to place right here on the front of that one, so you'll be seated right here, but while looking towards like the tail and everything. So try to come in right where I did, place the boat there. And then the last boat will be placed in here and seated more towards the fence post here, so you can get back to the other boat back there. Now the only thing I have found that could be a little bit of an issue to anyone is that you might need to just a little bit nudge this boat to the side so you can get back to this one when it's moving or as it's moving. But to explain just a little bit further, there's an obsidian timer in the entire machine here, and what I mean by that is you can go ahead and throw a piece of obsidian between these 2 blocks right there. I suggest doing this before you start the machine, or you could end up seeing a lot of problems. Now there is an opening in the front, as you can see here, so you can actually take this obsidian block, an immovable block, whatever you wish, and you can take it out as far as you want. And as long as it's lined up with this exact location, it'll eventually go all the way back in as the machine moves, and it'll eventually wind up right here, stopping the entire mechanism. And that's why this redstone block is right here, so if that piece of obsidian is in this current position, all you have to do is break it, and the machine will continue to go forward again. And just to prove that this works, I have taken out all of the obsidian, and with that new placing of the redstone block, I have my obsidian timer in place, and I will just go ahead and flint and steel start this. And there you have it. But that's going to do it for this two-part tutorial, you guys. I really hope you all enjoyed it. One last note to mention is the reason I threw in the random redstone block next to that first boat in the cockpit. Well, this you can use as a mining machine or a flyover bomber. Just be cautious. Placing TNT wrong could cause the boat to drift off its piston, or worse. Until the next video, though, you guys, later late. Look, alright, I don't want any trouble, okay? I didn't mean to run my dinosaur into your house. Look, look, okay, I'm not giving him trouble, alright? Alright, hey, look, guys, alright? I didn't mean to run into your house. I didn't mean to destroy your torch thing. Look, look, man, you don't gotta say that about me. Come on, I didn't think that this was gonna happen. I'm sorry, yeah, I wrecked. Oh, dude, come on. Come on. That's not cool. Come on.